What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday morning here. Taking a look at the NASDAQ. Pretty choppy actually this morning. We're starting here at 9:58, right before 10 o'clock. Taking a look at this, just wanted to stay away from the chop and not get involved in that. So last night though, really nice trade I had on NQ, up 860, able to play that with some tight risk with the range last night. So we're up pretty decent already. Counts at 52,547, so we do need about 450 or so to pass the take profit trader. Watching this here, we're coming up on the hourly candle at 10 o'clock. I'm not really sure. I mean, we were floating above 900 last night. We pushed that. We're still in this range. We swept below, got a little bit of a retest here, and now we're just back within. I'm gonna probably sit on my hands here unless I see something good. I'm not sure. Let's see what sets up for us, and we'll see you guys on the first trade.
Order working.
If we can run into this right here, 87.75.
Order filled.
I'll grab that long. We did get a close over the previous candle high. We do have the wicks here. Trying to hold that push higher on the day. 15-minute closed over the previous candle high as well. We're at that 900 level. See if we can get that break through. We might actually get some swift momentum out of this chop here. Come up here towards the start of the breakdown as well. I do like the closes above the previous candles there. We really only need 450 or so, so let me adjust this accordingly. Let's see here. Put that at 460 right there. So targeting 933.75. Risking down 57.75. Yeah, I like across, if we look across all these time frames, we closed strong over the previous candle. Over the moving averages, we're going to see if we can hold it up here. Yeah, let's see if they can turn this green and push through the 900s out of this chop from the morning. Biggest risk is them just bumping their head on 900 and running them just straight down the other direction, but let's see if with all of this chop under 900 we have enough momentum then. Anyone short, a little bit of a squeeze higher if possible. Let's see if we can get that here. Five-minute dipping down into that 9. Yeah, buyers trying to step up. Dipped into that 15, few candles back into the 9 there as well. Yeah, if I'm short 900 right here, I'd be nervous. We could get a nice swift stop run here. You know, I'm definitely playing the break of 900 here. They could easily just keep that on lock and we stay underneath of it. I'm hoping we can get some sort of momentum push here. Just getting stuck. The 70s right here. Zoom in a little bit at the 1 minute. Just afraid with this chop though, more top of the range at 900, they just send it the other direction. Quick spike down there, barely missed my stop. It's a new 5-minute candle as well if we move over to this. Running it back higher. Yeah, let's see if we can just run that. All those people trying to hold it down short. Their stop is going to be over 900 here. Big round hole number. If we can push that, I think we can get the momentum higher. Big if though, big if. Need to hold the low that we just put in. Another 1 minute candle, close right on those moving averages. Want to see it flip green and break that previous. I want to see it run that immediately. Yeah, they're just running it lower here. New 1 minute candle. This needs to push. This needs to push. Yep. Just can't let up there on the buying. Don't want that to flip red. Get over 83 here. Strong 1 minute candle there, really strong. Getting close to my entry. Naturally will become resistance as it always does. Yeah, a bunch of wicks here as well. Trying to push that into the 90s here. Needs to fight these wicks from earlier. We might be able to get some strength here through 900.
Stop filled. Order cancelled.
Well, that was a lie. Okay, we just got into stops. We got some slippage right there. 432.5. That's fun. Holy cow. That's incredible. Man, we're just holding in this right here. Just afraid of with the chop, and then man, we just get a 60.1 minute candle straight down. Get about what, 43, 16 points worth of slippage on that. That's fun. Still up on the day. not ideal, obviously. I'm gonna watch. I mean, obviously, you look at this chart right here. It is just not the best thing to trade. I mean, this chop we're in is just crazy. I really don't want to get 1,000 paper cuts on this, so I'm gonna watch and see if they reject 900, if we really can't get above that, and maybe we get under this trend line here, get a retest. Let's see what sets up. Let me go back to the 5-minute here, 15-minute here. Yeah, on the 15-minute, more like this, more like that. Let's see what they do. It's really breaking out of this that I'm going to be looking for here. If that doesn't set up, we might be done. If that does, though, we'll see you guys on the next trade. Okay, we're showing strength here, breaking above. We did come back down here. Looks like they might close it right there.
Order working. Order filled.
I'm gonna go long here again. I like that we broke through. We showed strength. We got through that. Dip here into that 15-minute high from earlier. We did close the 5 over the previous candle as well. We showed that we can get through 900 here. I want to see us break through that as well and continue. Yeah, I really like this entry there. Basically the same trade, similar idea as before. If we get a quick move, I'm going to put it at high a day. All right, holding the retest there for now. Who knows? Did that last time. Let's see. Yeah, basically the same exact entry here. Try the same idea again. Holding green, we did wick the 900s again. Yeah, if we can get over this previous candle high here, start moving up, that should give us some room. The big if yet again. I'm positioned for it. I'm positioned for the move. Will we get it? I think so. We are coming back lower here. Same as before, and just these wicks, we just start selling through them again. Want to see this hold and get that push higher. There we go, getting bought up again. It's 900s are just... There we go, a little bit of peak above. Come on, give us some movement. There we go. 903. Back down under 900. Damn, it's brutal. Here we go, some more momentum up. Closed higher. First what? First close over 900. Yeah. It's gotta mean something, right? Looking for the break. Man, they better not run this thing red straight back down. These type of candles, man, they always run it through the other direction. Just like kind of like this one. I was wary of that when I longed it last time. We did run it straight back down the other direction. But let's see what sets up for us here, and we'll watch it. Alrighty. So sitting there holding 900s now, turning into support. Looks good, looks good. Let's get a break of these 14s here. Get some swift movement. Where's my take profit? Where are we on this? 910. Yeah, if we get to that, if we can get a run for the highs, that'll definitely should pass us here. Big if. Yeah, just these type of candles, just running them the other direction seems to be the thing. This one here runs it the other direction. That one runs it the other direction. This one hopefully doesn't run it the other direction, although why wouldn't it? Zoom in. Let's zoom into a 2-minute chart here. How are we looking? I've seen worse charts. We are just holding under 900 again. Not ideal, not ideal. Entry turned into support. Love to see it, at least for a moment. Thinking about tightening risk up potentially under the low here of the 5-minute. We have 1024. We're gonna open a new 5-minute candle here. Yeah, I mean, I think that's wise. If we broke, or if we break both lows of the last 5-minute and the 9 on the 5, I just... Decent close, needs to hold there, 91. Basically same idea as the original entry, holding that. We are positioned for it. We're gonna manage risk here a little bit. Risk about $100. Pushing higher here, love to see it. It's a shame earlier the slippage on that, how quickly we sliced down, but what are you gonna do? Markets are rational. Close over the 9 on the 2, holding that. We're just in this little consolidation right around 900 again. We are peaking above it though, showing strength. That is the good thing here. Looking on the other chart here. Interestingly, yeah, 904.7. This is basically point of control from the previous session, from Friday. So this is where most of the volume sat. Interestingly enough. So getting over this right here would be, that would be pretty big. That should flip. If we can flip point of control, that would be, why do I have that up? That would give us a nice boost. And you say, why not short it then? We're in an uptrend here. We had a massive, you know, sweep at that was what, 6 a.m. this morning. Massive move down. We came back up, holding, making higher highs, higher lows. I don't want to be short in an environment like that. I'm either going to be looking for a long here for the continuation higher, or it would be no trade. Unless we get under these levels here, I'm not going to be shorting the highs. I want to be pushing it continuation. And the short may very well just work. It's just not what I'm looking for. Dip here into the 9 on the 5. Getting bought up there. We'll see if we get some another crazy spike down and get, you know, get taken out here at what, 800? 77 points of slippage. What do we got here? 1029, new 15-minute, new 30-minute candle. 30-minute retest here is at... We're gonna mess with this one. I really don't want to be stopped.
Order cancelled.
When it's valid. Man, they tagged me there. Yeah, I mean, it's not valid. Yeah, if anything, this should have been 900 rejection. No trade there. Tough. 5-minute there, 15-minute there. Opening on the 9, I mean, it's really, man, if I liked it long up here, I love it long down there. That's for sure. Brutal. 2 longs right here, 2 stop outs. Similar to the other day where I took what? It was like 5 trades. I took 2. I tried the same idea twice. It'll probably work here on the 3rd time. Maybe not though. At least it was only 100 point stop. We're still up on the day, which is nice. Still up about 300. But yeah, it's still in this range. I mean, what is it, 1030? I'll give it to, I mean, I guess we'll give it till 11 maybe. If I take another trade, I want to try and record it and share. Let's see. Let's watch, see what happens here. It's tough, man, because I want to be long before it breaks. But I've tried that twice now, and that wasn't the time. So I don't know. Let's wait. Let's watch. See what happens here. Still up on the day. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next trade potentially. Or that might be it. We'll see. Okay, we got filled in there on the break. Let's see if this momentum can carry us as we're starting to get that move higher. See if they can break 25 and then hold above that. Turn, we're gonna keep our stop there under 900. See if we can have a big candle here. It's a shame on this trade. When I got stopped out here, I moved risk, tightened it. If I left it at that 57 full risk, wouldn't have actually gotten stopped out on that. We would still be in that long. Yeah, it's weird how that works. You take one, you get stopped out. If that was our first trade, probably would have left it. So just something to look at there. It was the second trade after already getting stopped out, and I decided to manage risk rather than give it a full stop. So interesting how that works and ended up coming back to bite me. But yeah, we're in it long here. Much higher entry, unfortunately. Putting a stop by, letting it tell us that it's breaking highs here. And let's see. Pushing 25, pushing those highs there. Take profits just over the highs right now. Can go down to a 2-minute and see what's going on. We got that wick and then got the close higher. This one retest just about into that previous wick, pushing higher here on the 2. This 2 minutes about to close as well above the previous candle. Looks like that's good. Another minute on the 5. We'll have a new 15-minute candle open. New 2-minute candle open here. Flipped point of control. So we're over that. We're over the 900s. We can keep pushing higher here. Anyone short, definitely will be looking to get out. Coming into that 2-minute candle high. So we do a 5-minute close coming up with the 15. That's going to close over the previous candle high here. Okay, nice, pushing higher there. Getting some momentum. Flip over to a 15-minute here. New 15-minute candle. I'd hate to see it flip red and then start, you know, at least hold these 913s. Previous candle, both wicks that were resistance before. Right in this range here. But if anything, I just want to see this get a lot of strength and see if we can get that move towards the highs. You know, we had this trend line here. Finally got that break. Can this carry us? New 2-minute open. There's that classic candle that we always run through. Is it going to do it again? Or is the momentum enough to hold it? There it is. Like absolute clockwork. Run the full width of that candle, basically. Pretty incredible how that works. Buyers close it near the high, sellers wick higher, and then slam it back down through. Getting bought up though. But yeah, typically runs that full length of the candle, if not through it. It's interesting. Holding that. See, I told you guys, the long was the play here. The long was the play through 900s. You know, we've gotten 40 points through 900. Through my old entries, though, I mean, we've been up 50 points or so It's pretty good. Yeah, we're in this uptrend here. Let's see if we can make a run for the highs. Get a spike through, and then we will get out on that. Bought up to close it green. That's a spooky candle there. That's the same type of thing where they'll just run it through. So let's see. Like to see it hold this candle high here at 30. Ideally, the way this sets up. Buyer step in right here and flip it green and break the high. What's this music? There's the 30 test. Want to see them hold that and flip it green from here. New 5 minute about to open here. Want to see that close over the high. So over that 30 high, if we can at least close here in the next 30 seconds. Does that push higher? Trying to buy it up off that 30 level. Yeah, I really don't want to see it, man. Break that high and then close within. Come on, we got chop all day. We're breaking out. No need to keep chopping. What are we doing? Oh, they closed above on the 30. Want to see strong buying off this. Strong buying straight through right here. Come on, just get a pop on this. Don't go red. I want buying right off this level. Buyers need to step up right here at 30s. There you go. Little consolidation, little pennant flag, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully preparing for the next leg up. It's like you just look at this movement. It's like, man, that's why I just like Globex so much. It's such cleaner moves, I feel like. We've had this a couple times now in the New York session. Not that Globex is always perfect, but last night was great. I mean, last night we had the sweep of the highs. Where is it? Right here. It was perfect. We got sweep of the highs here. We came back down. We bounced off Friday's close. Continue, closed above, hourly retest, perfect into that previous candle high. And then just faded. And then you had that big drop last night. But it was just clean price action. Really nice. So we're going to see everyone short in here in this drop. See if we can run them out. Looking for a push through the highs. No, screw it. Let's put it towards 28. We're gonna move stop up anyway once we break highs, once we start pushing higher here. But let's give it, just in case we get a little spicy over the highs and we want to do a nice quick push towards 28. Two-minute. Trying. We are certainly trying. Wow, look at that 30-point 2-minute candle. Just doesn't even, it's so fast, it just prints a wick. It doesn't even show a drop. Instantly bought up and closed back above the 9. Hopefully they hold this and just don't run it through again. That doesn't even print on TradingView. We got that 15-minute retest technically off that. That's so crazy. Doesn't even print on TradingView. That's wild. Yeah, it'd be a shame to get stopped out for it to push under 900 again after this, but market's gonna do what the market does. Should hold. I think it should go higher. Good push here. I just don't want to see this 5-minute get slammed in red. Already almost at 11 o'clock. Crazy. Oh yeah, let's get some strength. New 2-minute candle open. This looks really clean. Really nice here. Closing above these lows, the close, the open. Of the 9 after dipping lower. We did technically get that 15-minute retest now. It is set up, just needs to hold these levels. Quick little flash there, instantly bought up. Well, that put us the wick on the 5-minute candle. Oh. There's definitely some volatility. Well, we might get stopped out here. Right back into 900. They need to hold that. Getting crazy, these whipsaws, man, around all-time highs. If it runs through, we're done on the day. I mean, we gave it 3 tries.
Order cancelled.
Man. It's so brutal. That's so brutal. It's probably going to go higher again. In these chop days, it's just buying and selling bottom. Buying the bottom of the range, selling top of the range. I mean, I do much better on momentum. That's just, you see the type of trades that I take. And when you don't get it, and it's just, you're just that. Man, that's tough. We just erased all of the what are we up? We're up $25. Don't spend it all in one place. Back under 900 again. Yeah, so much chop on that. I'm probably gonna cut it there. I'm gonna watch, see if anything else sets up, if anything looks good. Maybe the 3 o'clock, 3 to 4 p.m. gets a little bit better, but we're getting into middle of the day now. Yeah, I mean, thanks for watching, guys. If you do like these videos and just seeing the live trades, you know, give it a like, subscribe. Yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any questions about anything, what your thoughts are. Yeah, we'll see if anything happens later. Let you guys know, and then we'll be back again tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching.